2016 Grand Design Solitude 377 MB for sale in Hot Springs, Arkansas 71913. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2016 Grand Design Solitude 377 MB. This luxury fifth wheel is 40.9 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 7 guests. It has been outfitted with 4 slide-outs and 1 electric awning with LED lighting, as well as an automatic leveling system both front and rear. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2016 Grand Design Solitude 377 MB is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, Maple cabinetry, 3-burner stove, microwave / convection OvenLarge, residential refrigerator, kitchen island with double kitchen sink table and ChairsPantryElectric, fireplace flat screen, television surround, SoundDVD / CD / StereoThomas, lame love seat with ReclinersDen that converts to a bedroom sleeping loft with queen BedMaster, queen size bedroom, large closet basement, storage tank, warmers, 12-gallon hot water heater and much more. This 2016 Grand Design Solitude 377 MB is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2016 Grand Design Solitude 377 MB fifth wheel can be yours.